Welcome to English Unleashed Journey. I am Maria, your friendly host, and I'm so glad you are here today. Are you ready to level up your English in a super relaxed way? Grab your warm tea or a glass of fresh water and let's get comfortable. Have you ever paused to think about how many words actually exist in English? Take a wild guess right now. Is it 50,000? Well, dictionaries hold around 170,000 words. But do not worry, nobody expects you to memorize all of them. Native speakers only use a tiny fraction, usually around 2,000 daily words. Even college graduates rely on just 5,000 core terms to express themselves. So, knowing just a few hundred useful words puts you in a great spot. Today, we will explore 20 essential words you will hear everywhere. These terms will help you at work, with friends, and in daily chats. We will break down every single word with easy, practical examples. By the end, leave a quick comment telling me your personal score. Did you know 5, 10, or all 20 of these helpful words already? If you love learning with me, please click that subscribe button today. Let's jump into our very first word, which is obviously. Obviously means something is completely clear and very easy to notice. You use it when everyone can easily see or understand a fact. Look outside at those heavy gray clouds filling up the sky. It is obviously about to rain, so you definitely need an umbrella. Or, if someone is yawning constantly, they are obviously feeling very sleepy. It simply points out something that needs no long explanation at all. Our second word for today is the practical word, eventually. Eventually means after some time has passed or in the final end. Things might not happen right this second, but they will happen later. If you keep reading a long book, you will eventually finish it. The heavy storm might delay your walk, but the rain will eventually stop. Use this term whenever you are talking about future patience and results. Moving on to our third awesome word, which is worthwhile. Worthwhile describes something that is truly deserving of your valuable time. It means the positive reward is much bigger than the hard effort. Practicing your spoken English every single day is completely worthwhile. Cooking a complex meal takes effort, but the delicious taste makes it worthwhile. When an activity brings real value, you can proudly call it worthwhile. The fourth keyword you should start using today is tendency. A tendency is a regular habit or a natural pattern of behavior. It describes an action that a person or thing usually repeat often. My smartphone has a strange tendency to lose battery power very quickly. Some people have a natural tendency to drink warm tea while studying. You can use this word whenever you notice a repeating personal habit. Now let's talk about our fifth strong word, which is exhausted. Exhausted means you are far more than just slightly tired or sleepy. It means your internal battery is at zero and you have no energy. After running 5 miles in the heat, you will feel completely exhausted. If you stay up all night working, you will feel exhausted tomorrow. When you feel this way, taking a deep rest is totally necessary. Our sixth word on today's list is the useful term effective. Effective means something works extremely well and produces great results. It describes a method or tool that successfully gets the job done. Writing down new vocabulary in a small notebook is very effective. Drinking plenty of fresh water is an effective way to stay healthy. When a strategy delivers the success you want, it is truly effective. Let's look at word number 7, which is appropriate. Appropriate means suitable, correct, or proper for a specific moment. It refers to behaving or dressing in a way that fits the rules. Wearing beach sandals to a formal wedding is generally not appropriate. A polite tone of voice is always appropriate during a business call. Use this word to discuss what fits nicely in different social settings. Up next, as word number 8, is the vital term necessary. Necessary means absolutely needed, required, or essential for a goal. You simply cannot achieve the final result without this important thing. Carrying a valid passport is necessary when traveling to another country. Getting proper rest is necessary if you want your brain to function. Use necessary whenever an item or step cannot be skipped at all. Our 9th word to build your strong vocabulary is available. Available means someone or something is free, accessible, or ready. It shows that a spot, object, or person is not busy currently. Are you available for a quick phone call later this afternoon? The manager is currently in a meeting, so she is not available. You can use it whenever you check someone's free time or schedule. Word number 10 on our journey today is the adjective frequent. Frequent means happening very often or repeating many times regularly. It highlights actions or occurrences that take place again and again. He makes frequent trips to the local library to borrow fresh books. Taking frequent, short walking breaks helps you remain focused at work. Use this word whenever an event pops up regularly in your schedule. Now let's move forward to word 11, which is consider. Consider means to think very carefully before making a final choice. It means giving a suggestion some thoughtful attention before deciding anything. Before buying a new computer, you should consider the price tags. We need to consider the weekend weather before planning an outdoor picnic. Using this word shows that you are being smart and taking time. Our 12th word for your daily English improvement is maintain. Maintain means to keep something running smoothly or in good condition. It also means continuing a positive habit over a long period. It takes consistent effort to maintain a beautiful flower garden at home. Eating fresh vegetables helps you maintain your body's daily energy levels. Reach for this word when talking about care, routines, and preservation. Word number 13 in today's lesson is the common verb realize. Realize means to suddenly notice or understand something clearly in your mind. It is that light bulb moment when a fresh thought hits you suddenly. I just realized that I left my car keys on the kitchen table. She realized her small mistake right away and offered a gentle apology. It perfectly captures those sudden moments of clarity in everyday life. Next up, at word number 14, is the powerful word impact. Impact means a strong effect, powerful change, or influence on something. It explains how one event or action directly shapes another situation. Daily reading practice has a massive positive impact on your vocabulary skills. Getting good sleep every night makes a huge impact on your mood. Use impact to describe significant changes in your life and health. Let's look at word 15, which is the helpful verb recommend. Recommend means to suggest a good option, place, or practical idea. You use it when you want to share helpful advice with someone. Can you recommend a fun movie for me to watch tonight? Doctors always recommend drinking plenty of clean water throughout the day. It is a warm, friendly way to offer your personal favorite suggestions. Our 16th vocabulary word for casual conversation is the verb prefer. Prefer means to like one specific option more than another choice. It helps you state your personal tastes and choices very clearly. I strongly prefer hot tea over cold coffee in the early morning. Some people prefer walking to work instead of driving their personal cars. Use this handy word whenever you are comparing two different choices. Moving along to word number 17, we have the word aware. Aware means having knowledge of a situation or knowing that facts exist. It simply means you are informed and not surprised by something happening. Were you aware that the local store closes early on Sunday afternoon? He was fully aware of the new rules before starting his job. It shows that your eyes are open and you understand the surroundings. Word number 18 on our helpful list today is likely. Likely means something will probably happen based on clear, simple signs. It shows that a future event has a high chance of occurring. Dark gray clouds mean it is extremely likely to rain very soon. If she leaves home early, she is likely to arrive on time. Use likely when making smart predictions about your daily life. Our 19 vocabulary word for building smart sentences is despite. Despite helps you show contrast when unexpected things happen anyway. It means an obstacle was present, but it did not stop the action. She kept a cheerful smile on her face, despite feeling very tired. We went on a fantastic long hike, despite the light morning rain. Use this term to highlight courage, determination, and surprising positive outcomes. Finally, our 20th essential word for your vocabulary list is although. Although also joins two contrasting thoughts together in a smart sentence. It works like the phrase even though to introduce a surprising fact. Although the weather was quite chilly outside, we enjoyed our long walk. He completed the entire project on time, although it was very difficult. It adds a polished and natural touch to your spoken English sentences. You have done an absolute amazing job following along with me today. Learning a language is all about taking small, steady steps every day. Pick just one single word from today's list and use it today. Do not forget to tell me your score in the comments below.